Hi everyone, my name is Anu. I'm a physician by training. I had been considering the idea of moving into a drug safety or PV career for a few years. I tried a couple of different methods, didn't really work out for me. Then I got to know about this MediPharm Solutions course. I can definitely say that the course helped me, to gain the confidence which I need, which I think will really help me to comfortably approach any prospective roles and hopefully further build my career. The classes which are taught, they're concise, the concepts are clear, and the teachers are people who have been in our shoes before, which is really helpful because first of all, they know exactly what you've been through, they know where you're going, and it's also useful because you can get a little, something like a look into the future, seeing where you might be so many years hence, which is always, encouraging. All in all, a great course. Fingers crossed that I make it big in the PV industry. Thank you.